Have you ever wondered about the benefits of home workouts? As we navigate through the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, home workouts have been gaining momentum as a popular alternative to the traditional gym. Imagine this: no more rushing to the gym during peak hours, no more waiting in line for your favorite machine, and no more feeling self-conscious about your outfit or technique. Instead, you're in the comfort of your own home, setting your own pace and choosing your own routine. The convenience of home workouts is undeniable. They offer flexibility to fit around your schedule and not the other way around. You can wake up early for a quick session before work or wind down with a relaxing yoga routine at night. The choice is entirely yours. At home, you're in your personal space, which can make your workouts more enjoyable and less stressful. So, you see, working out at home is not just an alternative, it could be a game changer for your fitness journey. Now, let's delve deeper into why home workouts could be a fantastic choice for you. First up is cost effectiveness. With home workouts, there's no need for expensive gym memberships or high-priced equipment. All you need is your body, some space, and perhaps a few affordable pieces of equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells. You're saving money while still getting fit. Next, we have the benefit of privacy. Not everyone feels comfortable working out in a public gym. At home, you can exercise without feeling self-conscious, allowing you to focus wholly on your workouts. Thirdly, home workouts offer an incredible level of personalization. You can tailor your exercise routine to suit your specific needs and goals. Whether you want to focus on cardio, strength training, flexibility, or a mix of all three, the choice is entirely yours. Elimination of commute time is another significant advantage. You no longer have to factor in travel time to and from the gym. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of skipping workouts due to traffic or other travel-related issues. And finally, home workouts can easily fit into your busy schedule. You can work out early in the morning, late at night, or any time that suits you best. This flexibility can make it easier to maintain a consistent workout routine, which is crucial for achieving long-term fitness results. Clearly, home workouts offer a plethora of benefits that can help you achieve your fitness goals in a more comfortable and convenient way. Now that you've heard about all these amazing benefits, what's stopping you? It's time to take that leap. All you need is to find a suitable workout routine online and start small. You don't need fancy equipment or a pricey gym membership, just a little space, some dedication, and you're all set. Home workouts offer flexibility and convenience that's hard to beat. So why not give home workouts a try? Take control of your fitness journey right from the comfort of your own home.